Hello everyone, welcome back to our Triveni School online classes. I hope you all are doing well and also keeping yourself safe. So students, as I wish you all are understanding our online sessions and also enjoying them. So students, let's begin with our today's topic of class 5th, that is multiplication and division. I know you have performed multiplication and division in your previous 3rd and 4th class also, but in this class, in this chapter, we will discuss about larger multiplication and large division. So let's begin with our topic. There are some terms related to multiplication, student: multiplicand, multiplier and product. First of all, the number we are multiplying is multiplicand and the number we are multiplying with is multiplier, and the answer we are getting after multiplication is product. So let take an example. 14 multiply 3 will gives us answer as 42. So 14 is multiplicand and 3 is multiplier and 42 is product here, students. So some terms related to division are dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So the number we are dividing is dividend, the number we are dividing with is divisor, the answer we are getting is quotient, and the number we are left with is remainder. Let's take an example. Divide 41 by 3. So when we will divide, dividend here will be 41, divisor will be 3, quotient will be 13 and the remainder will be 2, students. So this was about the terms related to multiplication and division. Now let's begin with multiplication of 5 digit with a 2 digit number. As you all know that small multiplication of 4 digit or 3 digit we have discussed in our previous class. So if you have not understood the multiplication, you can also check out in the list of class 4th multiplication, and here we will discuss about multiplication of 5 digit with 2 digit, students. So let's begin. Here we are having 14,897 by 15. We need to multiply this number by this. So first we will arrange the numbers under their place values, as you all know that. So we have arranged the number under their place values, then we will multiply them by first by 5, then by 1, students. So let's multiply 14,897 by 5. 5 sevens are 35. So in 35, what is the unit digit? 5 and carry will be 10th digit, that is 3. 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 3, 48. Carry 4. As unit digit is 8 and 10th digit is 4. 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 4, 44. So 4 will be moved as carry. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Carry will be 2. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Here at the ones place or the unit place you can also put a 0 or you can put a cross here. Then you will multiply this whole number by 1, student. Now 1 sevens are 7, 1 nines are 9. As you all know that when we are multiplying any number by 1, the answer will be same. So 1 eights are 8, 1 fours are 4, 1 ones are 1. Now you will add these two numbers. 5 as it is, 8 plus 7, 15, carry 1. 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12. We will write 2 and 1 will be moved as carry. 1 plus 1, 2. So students, we get our answer as 2,23,445. This is our product, this is our multiplicand, this is our multiplier, student. So I hope all these terms are cleared in your mind. Now let's begin with multiplication of 6 digit with 2 digit number. So same in the case, we will arrange the number. Here we are having 3,01,971. We need to multiply this number by 23. So we will arrange the number as shown or as discussed in previous classes. So we will multiply the whole number first by 3, then by 2. Now let's begin with multiplication. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21, 2 will be carried. 3 nines are 27, 27 plus 2, 29, 2 will be carry. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 3 multiply 0 will be 3, 3 nines are 9, students. Now here you can put a 0 or a cross, student. Now we will multiply the whole number by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, carry will be 1, 2 nines are 18, 18 plus 1, 19, carry 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 multiply 0, 0, 2 multiply 3, 6. Now add. 3 as it is, 1 plus 2, 3, 9 plus 4, 13. In 13 what will be written? 3, and 1 will moved as carry. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 9, 15. Carry 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 3, 4. 0 plus 9, 9, 6 as it is. So our answer or the product will be 69,45,333. So this was about the multiplication of 6 digit with 2 digit number. So let's begin with our multiplication of 5 digit by 3 digit, then we will study about multiplication of 6 digit by 3 digit number. So here we are having 14,321. We need to multiply this by 107. So arrange the numbers under their place values and start multiplying. First we will multiply this whole number with 7, then with 0, then with 1. Students, as you all know, when we multiply the number with 0, the answer will be 0, and the number we are any number we are multiplying with 1, the answer will be same number. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, carry 1. 7 threes are 21, 21 plus 1, 22, carry 2. 7 fours are 28, 28 plus 2, carry 30. Carry will be now 30. 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 3 will be 10. So now we will multiply the whole number with 0. Here you can write a 0 or the cross sign. Now 0 ones are 0, 0 multiply with the 2, 0, 0 multiply with 3, 0, 0 multiply 4, 0, 0 multiply 1, 0 students. Now when we are multiplying 1, you need to write at ones and tens both the places. You can write cross sign or the 0 sign. Now write 0 for these. Now multiply 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 ones are 1. Now add all these numbers or multiplication. 7 plus 0 plus 0, 7, 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4, 2 plus 0 plus 1, 3, 0 plus 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 0 plus 3, 3, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 4, 5, and 1 as it is. So our answer will be, or the product will be 15,32,347 students. Now multiplication with of 6 digit. Here we are having 3,43,012. We need to multiply this by 315. Now we will multiply this whole number first by 5, then by 1, then by 3. Now first multiply with 5. 5 twos are 10, carry 1. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. 5 multiply 0 with 0. 5 threes are 15, carry 1. 5 fours are 20, 20 plus 1, 21, carry 2. 5 threes are 15, 15 plus 2, 17 student. Now multiply the whole number by 1. You can also write a 0 or a cross. 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1, 1 multiply 0, 0, 1 multiply 3, 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 threes are 3. Now at ones place and tens place both you have to write 0 or cross sign. So 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 multiply 0, 0, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, carry 1, 3 threes are 9 and plus 1, carry. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 2 plus 0, 8, 0 plus 1 plus 6, 7, 5 plus 0 plus 3, 8, 1 plus 3 plus 0, 4, 7 plus 4 plus 9 will give us 20 as answer. So 2 will be carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, and 0 as it is. So our answer will be 10 crore 80 lakh 48,718. So now students, we will be moving towards 5 digit multiplication with 4 digit and 6 digit multiplication with 4 digit number. So students, let's begin with multiplication of 5 digit by 4 digit. Here we are having 32,107. We need to multiply this by 1,246. So let's multiply. As you all know that you have to arrange the numbers. Now we will multiply the whole number with 6, then by 4, then by 2, then by 1. 6 sevens are 42. Carry 4. 6 multiply 0, 0 plus 4, 4. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, carry 1. 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. Now you can write a 0 or cross in here. Now multiply the number by 4. 4 sevens are 28, carry 2. 4 multiply 0, so 0 plus 2, 2. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 students. Now write 2 zeros as you all know that. So now multiply with 2. 2 sevens are 14, carry 1. 2 multiply 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Now you will write 3 zeros or 3 cross sign under ones, tens and 100 place digit. Now multiply the number with 1. As you know, while multiplying by 1 you can also write the number as it is. Now add. 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0, 12. Carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. Carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 0, 20. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1. So 4. So our answer will be 4 crore 5,322. So this will be our product. Now multiplication of 6 digit by 4 digit. Here we are having 1,63,214. Multiply this by 2,035. So we will multiply the number by first by 5, then by 3, then by 0, then by 2. 5 fours are 20. 2 as carry. 5 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 twos are 10, carry 1. 5 threes are 15 plus 1, 16. 5 six are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 3 will be carry. 5 multiply 1, 5 plus 3, 8. Write a cross sign. 3 fours are 12, carry 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 6 are 18, carry 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Now write 2 cross sign. You will multiply, while you will multiply by 0, all the answers will be 0 students. Now write 3 cross sign or 3 zeros. Multiply the number by 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. So add 0. 7 plus 2, 9, 0 plus 4 plus 0, 4, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 0, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, carry 2. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 0, 12, 12 plus 4, 2, 14, carry 1, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 0, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, carry 2. 2 fours are 6, 6 plus 0, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3 and 3. So students, our answer will be 33 crore 21 lakh 40,490. So some properties of multiplication are students, when a number is multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0. Suppose here we are having 2,136 and we are multiplying this by 0. Our answer will be 0 only. So either it can be 8 digit or 6 digit or 7 digit. The answer will be 0. When we are multiplying any number with 1, the answer will be the number itself. So here we are multiplying 51,111 by 1. So our answer will be 51,111. So students, when we are multiplying, we can follow any order. We can multiply 23 by 2 or 2 by 23. Our answer will be same. So we can also change the order. So when we are multiplying any number by 100, the answer will be, we will write the number and number of zeros. Here in the 100, the number of zeros are 2. So we will write the 2 zeros. When we are multiplying any number by 1000, the number will be, the answer will be the number itself and 3 zeros at the right hand side. When we are multiplying any number with 10,000, so answer will be the number itself and 4 zeros at the right hand side. So these are the some properties of multiplication, students, that we have discussed.